Okay, well, a number of years ago, one of our mechanical engineers, one of our chief mechanical engineers was involved in the design and installation of a new building automation system for the Grey Nuns Hospital. Shortly after I joined Aero, the existing system that had been installed was having some small problems, and they contracted Aero Engineering to do a full commissioning of this system, and that's where I was called in. So my function here was mainly on site, working with the hospital staff to go through all the existing control systems and doing a full report after a number of weeks of investigation of what improvements were needed in their building, and then had meetings with Grey Nuns and the contractors involved, and more or less provided direction as far as upgrading their existing system to make sure that all the expectations were met. I think looking back on it is that we provided a good report, a thorough report, and when we did have to meet and discuss the issues in the building, they were all understood, and they could pass on this information right to the contractor. They took it without a lot of questions. They understood where we were coming from, and they acted promptly, and all the items of concern were cleaned up in a fairly short amount of time. Well, it was myself and Hatham from our office. He took a large role in the electrical commissioning of the security and some of the fire safety that we were looking at. He was also involved with me in assisting as far as the end-to-end point checks that we were doing. Just to add to that, the administration staff at Aero Engineering, especially Karen, did a lot of work for the project here at Grey Nuns, and I think that without her we probably wouldn't have had all the documentation as well organized and detailed as it became.